Did you know that radishes can grow up to 1 inch per day under ideal conditions? Are you ready to harvest these giant radishes? They add a burst of flavor and a satisfying crunch to salads and snacks. But forget those tiny grocery store radishes. We're going for giant, flavorful radishes that will make your gardening neighbors green with envy. Imagine this. You stroll through your garden, pluck a radish the size of a baseball, and chomp into its crisp, spicy goodness. Sounds amazing, right? Well, get ready to turn that dream into reality. With a few simple tricks, you'll be harvesting monster radishes in no time. Radishes are pretty easygoing, but they do have some preferences. First, let's talk soil. They love loose, well-drained soil that's rich in organic matter. Think of it as giving your radishes a luxurious bed to rest their roots in. Before you plant, loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller. Mix in some compost or aged manure. This adds nutrients and helps with drainage. Radishes prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH of around 6.0 to 6.8. You can test your soil with a simple kit from a garden center. Knowing the perfect time for planting is crucial. Radishes are cool season crops, meaning they thrive in cooler temperatures. They prefer to grow in the spring or fall. In most regions, you can start planting radishes outdoors a few weeks before the last frost. Sow the seeds about 2 to 3 inches apart and 1/2 to 1 inch deep. This gives them enough space to grow without crowding each other. Water them gently after planting. For a continuous harvest, try succession planting. This means planting a small row of radishes every week or two. That way, you'll have fresh radishes throughout the season. Growing radishes can be incredibly rewarding, but they do require some specific care to thrive. Radishes need consistent moisture to grow big and juicy. Without enough water, radishes can become woody and develop a sharp, unpleasant taste. It's important to maintain a regular watering schedule. Water them deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Deep watering encourages the roots to grow downwards, which helps the plants access nutrients and moisture from deeper in the soil. But be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Overwatering can also cause the radishes to split or develop a bitter taste. It's a delicate balance, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Once your radish seedlings have a few true leaves, it's time to thin them out. Thinning might seem counterintuitive, but it's a crucial step in ensuring your radishes have enough space to grow. Aim for a spacing of about 2 to 3 inches between plants. This spacing allows each radish to develop fully without competing with its neighbors for light, water, and nutrients. I don't like to waste a thing, so I replant the ones I've removed to another area of the garden. Sometimes those turn out to be the biggest and best of my whole crop. To keep your radishes happy and growing strong, fertilize them every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This will ensure your radishes receive all essential nutrients that support healthy growth and development. Finally, don't forget about weed control. Weeds can quickly take over a garden bed, stealing nutrients and water from your radishes. Regular weeding is essential to keep your radishes healthy and ensure they have the resources they need to thrive. Keep your garden bed weed-free by hoeing regularly or using mulch. Mulch not only helps suppress weeds but also retains moisture in the soil, creating a more stable environment for your radishes to grow. Radishes are a delightful addition to any garden. However, like all plants, they can sometimes fall victim to pests. Radishes are generally pest-resistant, but a few pesky critters might try to munch on your crop. These pests can cause significant damage if not managed properly, affecting both the health and yield of your radishes. But don't worry, there are plenty of natural ways to keep them at bay. By using organic methods, you can protect your plants without harming the environment or introducing harmful chemicals into your garden. One common pest is the flea beetle. These tiny jumping insects are notorious for their ability to quickly infest a garden. These tiny insects can leave small holes in your radish leaves, creating a lace-like pattern that can stunt plant growth and reduce your harvest. The good news is that they're easy to deter. Simply sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your plants. This natural powder is made from fossilized algae and works by dehydrating insects. This natural powder is harmless to humans and pets, but deadly to soft-bodied insects like flea beetles. It's an effective and eco-friendly solution for keeping your garden pest-free. Another option is to use row covers. These lightweight fabrics act as a physical barrier, preventing pests from reaching your plants. These lightweight fabrics allow sunlight and water to penetrate while keeping pests out. They are especially useful during the early stages of plant growth when young plants are most vulnerable. Just drape them over your radish rows and secure the edges. This simple method can significantly reduce pest damage and help ensure a bountiful harvest. You should also look out for some of the other most common pests you might encounter on your radish plants. The above-ground pests are aphids, which are small, soft-bodied insects that suck sap from plants. Harlequin bugs, these large, colorful insects feed on plant sap. Cabbage loopers, green caterpillars that eat leaves. Slugs and snails. These slimy creatures can devour entire plants. There are below-ground pests too. Root maggots, which are tiny fly larvae that feed on radish roots. Also, cutworms, that are caterpillar-like grubs, can cut off young plants at the soil line. By combining these natural pest control methods, you can enjoy healthy, vibrant radishes all season long. For more pest control methods, check out our playlist on pests and diseases. Growing giant radishes isn't just about luck. It's about choosing the right varieties and giving them the care they need to thrive. Not all radishes are created equal, and some are naturally predisposed to grow larger than others. By selecting the right seeds, you set the stage for a bountiful harvest of whopping radishes. Here are a few top picks for behemoth radishes. Each of these varieties has its own unique characteristics, making them a great addition to any garden. Whether you're looking for size, flavor, or a bit of both, these radishes won't disappoint. Watermelon radish. This variety lives up to its name, producing large, round radishes with a stunning pink interior. The vibrant color makes them a favorite for salads and garnishes, adding a pop of color to any dish. They can grow up to 5 inches in diameter, making them one of the larger radish varieties available. With the right care and conditions, you can expect these radishes to reach their full potential, providing you with a bountiful harvest of eye-catching vegetables. Daikon radish, also known as Japanese radish, daikon radishes are long and white, reaching lengths of over a foot. These radishes are a staple in many Asian cuisines and are known for their crisp texture and mild flavor. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They have a milder flavor than other radishes and are delicious in stir-fries and soups. Their size and shape make them perfect for slicing and adding to a variety of recipes, from fresh salads to hearty stews. Black Spanish radish. This unique radish has a black exterior and a white interior. Its striking appearance makes it a standout in any garden or dish. The black Spanish radish is known for its robust, pungent flavor, which can add a spicy kick to your meals. It has a more pungent flavor than other radishes and can grow quite large. This variety is perfect for those who enjoy bold flavors and want to add a bit of excitement to their culinary creations. With the right care, these radishes can become a highlight of your garden, providing both visual appeal and delicious taste. The best part about growing radishes? They mature quickly. Most varieties are ready to harvest in about a month. You'll know your radishes are ready when the tops are green and the roots are firm to the touch. Gently loosen the soil around the radish with a trowel or your fingers, and pull it up from the top. Don't let your radishes stay in the ground too long, or they'll become woody and lose their flavor. Once harvested, remove the tops and store your radishes in the refrigerator. They'll last for a week or two. Want to take your radish game to the next level? Here are a few extra tips. Intercropping. Radishes are a great companion plant for other vegetables such as carrots, lettuce, and spinach. Planting them together can help deter pests and maximize your garden space. Frost protection. If a late frost threatens your radish crop, don't panic. You can protect them by covering them with a row cover, blanket, or even cardboard boxes. Succession planting. Remember to plant a new batch of radishes every week or two for a continuous harvest throughout the season. With a little planning and effort, you'll be amazed at the size and flavor of your harvest. Your salads will never be the same. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your radish growing know-how. Happy gardening!